You can't expect to be somewhere or be successful if you're not putting in the work, you know? Since I'm my biggest critic, I really have to stop comparing myself to other people and like set aside and like grow within myself. So I go by Angel, and I'm a performer, I'm a choreographer. I teach at 2 different studios. I started dancing when I was like 3 at church. For me, dancing isn't just expressing, it's more of like connecting with people on that spiritual level. And knowing that I can connect with other people through my dancing is what really like moves me and motivates me to keep going. I do heels, hip hop, liturgical, lyrical, contemporary, so depending on what type of style I'm doing, like that's when the song comes in. If I'm listening to R&B, I feel that soul. You know, I always want to like do like these liquid movements. When I'm dancing, like I feel the music. I'm not thinking about the steps. I'm not thinking about what happened at home or at work. I'm literally just moving through it. As cliche as it sounds, it makes me feel alive. It makes me feel like there's so much more to life. Knowing that I'm growing every day, every time I take class, every time I perform, every time I'm training, like I see something new about me. That's something that's really exciting for me. You can't expect to be somewhere or be successful if you're not putting in the work, you know? So if you want to be somewhere, you need to train every day, you need to work every day. If you're not flexible, you need to stretch every day. If you're not good in popping, then go to a hip hop class and take some popping techniques. Like whatever you need to do, like you need to train on that. You can't sit on your butt. Get out my way.
Yeah. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake off. Get out my way. I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake off. Get out my way. I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. It's too easy, it's a layup, layup. Get out my way. 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 Get out my way.